Hi, welcome back to English Bridge Academy. In our previous video, we learned the different spelling patterns of the sound F. Right now, we will start focusing on the different spelling patterns of the sound K. Of course, as you can see on the screen, there are many different patterns of writing the sound K. But before I start, I would like to ask you, why should we learn the different spelling patterns of English sounds? Keep this question in mind and then I will try to answer it by the end of our video, inshallah. So now, the sound K can be written in many different ways. The sound K can be written as K as in the word kite. The sound K can be written as C as in the word cat. The sound K can be written as CK as in the word duck. The sound K can be written as CH as in the word school. The sound K can be written as Q as in the word unique. And the sound K can be written as CK. It's repeated as CK as in back. So one sound, many spellings. Now let's explore how the sound K sound can be written in different ways. Let's get started in details. So now, as you can see here, the sound K can be written as C, as in cat, cup, car, circle, and class. There is another different pattern we will see right now. The sound K can be written as CK, as in back, lock, duck, sick, and brick. The third different type of the sound K is CH. So the sound K can be written as CH as in chorus, chemistry, chronic, scheme, architect. There is another way to write the sound K in English. Now let's see it. The sound K can be written as Q, as in Q, unique, antique, technique, and mosque. So let me go back to the question, why should we learn the different spelling patterns of English sounds? Learning the different English patterns of uh, English sounds help us become better readers. We can recognize words more quickly and read with greater confidence. Learning the different patterns, spelling patterns of sounds also can help us become better spellers. We learn the most common ways of English, and in the same time they improve our pronunciation. We know how letters and letter groups represent the same sound in different words. So by now I have come to the end of our video for today. Till I see you, goodbye. This is me from English Bridge Academy. Thank you very much.